kubar baman kesni awan lam shapi da unang yalam ni
pan pau ji songo yo blay ubala lum la lang ingi re jaka hapo at sno kren harut jeng gawa ungot ba ik jongi lang ba ka jiga pembay jongka Golden Jubilee Celebration Committee jongka Civil Solution Amrem kasen samla sno kren barka District Sport Association jong ka West End Hills rangkat kaji snok tilang jong kinayo shimenta baro kaji snok tilang kikna kisamla kilong kme kilong pa ngal yok to phimtip bakane ka amrem solution ngene ki barimtam hapo kamkhalia ka jongi kamte kang thamai dei bakadaw ngas ngokben bangi badlei hok bangi rakhe kane kane ka way ka sen ka panongkong shipun ki activities kung ba ka madam SDO kalabatay nado ki kajia shipentay kena school ki kena samla but kinong shok shnung baro kindam ipun ki activities hapo unusnem hado 9 November arjar arpunrio den pakadaw ngas ko tunat baka nagajia shipentay jang primta silang ba shok shinu kata ka amin sim yangi kiba yo i kiba sutu shisha ya kata ka mentoy jang subdivision ngajongi tenang yai tre lang baka shnong may tre lang baka samla ya tre lang baka office kiba dan po kaneka subdivision ngajongi nginye tre lang na ko nga po siwe po namar marwe ginamla balay handray tali nginla bankiw shakmat.
It's a pleasure to be here as part of the Amlarem Subdivision Golden Jubilee celebration. And as we're carrying it out in collaboration with the Seng Samla Shnoplek Cultural and Sports Club and with the District Sports Office as well. I'm very delighted that the program has been a success, and it is all because of the collaboration and the contribution of all the stakeholders present here today. This is the first of a series of events to be held for the Golden Jubilee celebration. And organizing a sports festival like this is of huge significance because this also promotes the sports culture in the region, at the same time tourism potential, and also collaboration between the local community and the different institutions and offices as well.
Ini dibilang gini Pak.
banyo iki kubar baman kesni sumhawan subscribe ka channel unang yalam news kumle shibu